Takes that same 377 battery. The nice thing about this is you don't even have to remove the plastic insert to change the battery on this one, which I think is kind of cool. I just have to be super careful when I change these batteries that I don't accidentally scratch the copper colored coil there, but it's kind of far away from there anyway, so it's even if it's hard to even touch that thing. I usually wear like one of those pairs of jeweler's glasses when I change it with the magnifying, just so I can see that what I'm doing a little bit better. So yeah, the nice thing about this, you don't have to pull out the plastic piece to change the battery. Everything is all there. Once I'm done, I just pop it back on and get the thing back in place, and use the tool to tighten it the rest of the way. Deep blue quartz diver, 41 millimeters.